I just spent all that time to do that, and now it doesn't even matter. Fantastic. How awesome. So here's the deal. I've got all the sensors disconnected. I've got everything disconnected. This exhaust system isn't going to come out. There's no V-bands or there's no clamps. It was all welded in place apparently, so I'm going to cut this bad girl right there. Perfect. Now I can take this out. See that? That's what we saw. That's what we got to fix. So I'm gonna go ahead, kind of bevel it in a little bit. We're gonna start working on welding this up too. Going to run out of daylight very quickly, but we try to clean this up best we can so we can go ahead and start welding. Again, I'm certainly no professional, but I guess that'll do, huh? It should hold. Since we have to make the clamp go on this flange smoothly, we actually need to grind this down to follow the path of the flange. Kind of shaped her up a little bit. Follow the way of that flange a little better. I left that little piece of weld there because it's not really in the way or anything like that. The clamp goes right past that. Everything else is what I was worried about. Alright, we have everything welded up and bolted back up. This header is welded, bolted back up. Put the flanges back on, we put the hangers back on, we put the sensors back in. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, well it definitely doesn't sound like there's an exhaust leak anymore, so that's good.